Good day. Today is, I don't know what day it is. I know it's February 24th, I think. Anyways, we're going to work on this Honda Rancher. This is Papa D. The problem we have is, um, well, one thing, the switch is backwards, but it don't like to lower. Well, I got to turn the key on. If you got the key on, it don't like to lower. It goes up fine, but then this switch will act up. And it works. We're just going to change the switch out. That's what we're going to do. And we'll see what happens. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery. Take off the negative side. That way the system will be powered up. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, this is your, I got a negative here. And if we look real hard, I don't think we'll see it. Oh yeah, there it is. Right there it says negative, and then our pods was right next door, and it's usually pretty easy to tell because you got the red cap and it says positive on it, the positive sign. So we'll take this Phillips screwdriver here, and my next step is to take this screw out. We don't even need this bracket. I could put it on, but the old one's hooked up like that. So we'll just take the screw out down here. Hard part in this job is going to be finding out where all the wires are at. I got to remove them two screws out of there to get that dash up out of there. Okay, I got the dash off. This is where this wire leads to the switch. You can see it moving. Oh, there you go. When I see it's been spliced in here, so we got to find out what's there. And it looks like they got into the main harness too, so. Oh, I don't have that right there. There we got in the right. See that? There, so we'll have to. May not be as bad a job as I thought it was going to be. Well, this is not going to be as hard as I thought it was going to be. Here's your red wire right here, and they saddled it into this one here. So that's the power wire. You got a green wire, and I look like you got a blue or a black wire. Black. My eyes tell me black. So we'll get those cut out of there, and we'll go from there. So on the switch we have a green wire, we have a black wire, and I'm thinking I'm going to do something a little different on those. Okay, talk to you later. I definitely can see why they spliced them together. This wire that's on this switch is way too long, and I'm not going to open the switch up to change it. I mean, you must have 5 foot of wire here. I mean, look at that. And I only need roughly about 1.5 feet, if that. Alright. I had to go to the store and get these pieces. Got both male and female parts in that package. I need 2 of them. I have to cut these out and attach 2 pieces there and 2 pieces to the other. So that's what we're going to work on next. I'm Papa D. I'm back. Here's got it the switch mounted. I was able to use the old bracket over. Got the wires tied into place. I got it threaded through where the wires go. Somewhere we are. Over there. There we are, right there. Now I just got to cut them to length. And we'll go from there. I also got the ends stripped. This one goes into the harness. I don't strip it, but I got a connector for that too. That's your red. I've got everything crimped and split the way I want it. Now I gotta hook it all up here, and this little red wire here. Where is it at? Right there. That little red wire there, and I got the clamp right here. Here we go. I got it all in there and checked it out. It ran up and down. I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to tie that down, put a wire tie around it so it don't roll around too much. But we'll turn the switch on. It goes up and down. Switch feels even better. So I think we got it. Here we go. Alright, this will be a wrap on this one. I'm going to finish putting it together and deliver it back. Thank you. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. I color coded everything. Green went to the green, the black went to the black, and the red went to the red. There you go. I was probably looking at something else, but red to the red, the green to the green, and the black to the black. Very good.